Hello, how are you? My name is Martin Longmore, representing Penticton Toyota, and we're going to do a walk around here on a Toyota bZ4X. The bZ4X is the first of Toyota's electric vehicles, and it'll be the first of 7. And their aim here is to reduce carbon footprint by 2050. This is a fully electric vehicle. The vehicle we're actually showing you here today is an XLE all-wheel drive. There are a range of the bZ starting from L, LE, XLE, and XLE technology package. So we're going to take a walk around and kind of explain what this vehicle has to offer, and maybe it's the right vehicle for you. So the bZ4X, BZ stands for Beyond Zero, and that's the direction that we're going here, which is fantastic. What is nice about the bZ4X is it is offered in 2 different drive lines. So we have a front wheel drive, which will range about 406 kilometers, and then we have an all-wheel drive, which will range around 367 kilometers. They are fantastic. The all-wheel drive system is an amazing all-wheel drive. And obviously in the climates that we live in, especially in the Okanagan, we do get a lot of snow and ice. The all-wheel drive system is fantastic, so it is definitely safe for yourself and your family to drive. If you want to take a look at the space that we have, it is designed, the bZ is designed to fit between the RAV and the Highlander. So it is quite a large vehicle with lots of space. The seats do fold down flat, but the nice thing is we have all this space, and then we also have under storage for our charger. We'll talk about the charger a little later on. It's a little chilly here today in the Okanagan, so we're going to turn on our heated steering wheel and our heated seats. The nice thing with these vehicles, they have a couple of different settings, so automatic settings and different levels for the heated steering wheel and the heated front seats, which is awesome. The vehicle also offers an amazing climate control system, where it also has foot and leg heaters to give ambient heat for the passengers of the vehicle also. The nice thing is the car also offers Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, as you can see here. And the really cool thing is it can actually charge up to 5 different devices at any time, along with a wireless phone charger here as well. The bZ4X is just an absolute game changer, offering phenomenal range, amazing all-wheel drive, excellent comfort. Obviously it's extremely quiet being an electric vehicle, but we have acoustic sounding glass to actually quieten the ride as well, making the cabin quite enjoyable to be in. So as I mentioned before, the vehicle's range in horsepower from 201 in a front-wheel drive to 214 on the all-wheel drive. And I honestly mean the all-wheel drive system is amazing. Even if you're taking it on a slight bit of off-road, it's very, very capable. To really get down to it, they're a whole lot of fun to drive. Extremely powerful, you know, I suppose the handling is just amazing and very comfortable. They're all around brilliant. We are in a residential area here, so I'm not going to drive too fast. But the awesome thing as well for people is Toyota do offer an extensive warranty with these vehicles, up to 8 years, 160,000 kilometers on this bZ4X. So it is a vehicle that will give you not only great satisfaction driving it, produce 0 emissions, it's great for the environment, but you are going to drive with a great peace of mind that Toyota have you covered for such a long time. The other really awesome feature with Toyota is they have tested this battery out to last up to 90% of its life in the next 10 years. So again, it is basically driving with the peace of mind that you're not going to be worried or stressed out about any features on this vehicle, knowing that Toyota have you covered for a long time to come. So when you're asking about charging this vehicle, Toyota offers 3 different levels of charger, level 1, 2, and 3. Level 1 is the charger that's in the back, that's a general wall plug. Level 2 will be something like this smart point charger here. And then we have the fast charger, which is level 3. If you want to take a look here, level 3 is a DC charge. That is the fastest way of charging it. That is in the bottom here. And that will actually, if you plug it in, it will take charge up to 80% in about 45 minutes to an hour. What we're going to do today is show you our level 2 charger. As I said, this is the charge point. We can actually provide these through Toyota Canada. You can get them professionally installed at your house. There are 2 different kind of plugs, prongs if you want to call them, 3 and 4 prong, depending on the power you have. You must have 200 amp service or 240 plug. To plug it in like so, and when you walk away or lock the car, that will lock, so it cannot be removed from this charge point unless you set it up through the settings to basically disconnect when it is fully charged, so someone else can take the charger and plug in their electric vehicle. There are a range of different apps. You can use the Toyota app, or you can use third-party apps to find charging stations around the country. So if you are on a longer drive, you can actually set up your test, or your drive, should I say, according to where the charge stations are, and you can actually then plug in, go for a picnic, go for a hike, go for a walk, do what you got to do, plug it in, charge it, and then make it to your final destination. All around, these vehicles are absolutely fantastic. We're delighted to be able to offer them here at Penticton Toyota, and I would encourage you to come down and take them for a drive, as they are an amazing vehicle that will suit a lot of people's needs. Thank you for watching this video. I hope to talk to you soon.